him here with a single lonely piece of wood. Why do I have a single lonely piece of wood? I thought you'd never ask. That's because I just picked up my 8-in-1 wood carving set. This set is so advanced in its canvas roll-up bag that I don't even know these things that are in it. It comes with level 5 slip resistant gloves. Oh yeah, whoa, look at that. Man, that's a nice tight fit. Polishing compound, right? Because you want to keep your blade super nice, I guess. Comes with this curved blade for carving curves. I don't know. Oh, I can dig troughs with this. Like, why does he have his bare finger on the other side? He's going to kill himself. Maybe. It comes with this large flat blade. Yep. This is like whittling when I was a kid. Oh my gosh, he's abusing it. If you're a real wood carver, please don't pay attention to me. Man, I just love how sharp these blades are. I don't want to stop doing this. Okay, I got to show you the other ones. This little fine carving one, this thing, man, digs quick chunks out. Like, you can easily get to the shape that you want with this knife. Okay, then fourth blade. This one's a little longer, a little thinner. So I'm sure there's a specific function for that. And if you carve, you probably know. These have really elegant wood handles. What's ironic by this Kujiba, that's the brand, is that they don't tell you what type of wood the handle is, but it does have a carbon steel blade. Those suckers are sharp. Also comes with these 5 little mini tools. And so like if you want to dig perfectly square 90-degree out with this, man, that thing, whew. What do we got here? This is like a little scooper. Oh yeah. I like Michelangelo. There's an elephant trying to get out of this piece of wood. If I could just get the elephant out of this piece of wood. Okay, what else do we got? We got this funky thing. Looks like an angled. You can do some quite interesting things with this. Maybe feels like a beaver's tooth. But I got to get an elephant out of this thing. And then this is just a flat. So you can go along and just chunk out flat sections. This will help me carve around its legs and its tusks and all of that other stuff that I gotta get. Man, I've got wood everywhere. Look at this. Okay, this is a perfect gift for beginners. You could also use this for pumpkins if you want to carve around Halloween. This is going to be a very good set. Look at all this wood. Each one of these have, the caps that go back on it so you can keep it safe because they are razor sharp. And you don't want to accidentally get cut by this like I did by a tool a couple days ago. Thought I was going to take my finger off. Wasn't one of these. It was a power tool. But anyway, I need to get one of these out and just keep carving here so I can get this elephant. All right, you ready to see the final product? That took a little bit of time. A little longer than I thought, and I messed the trunk up, so I had to cut that out of a separate piece. Put some gray paint on it. Check it out. Pick yourself up a wood carving kit, and you could be making elephants like this in no time. Thank you, Michelangelo. No. This is the piece of wood. I didn't carve this elephant. It's made out of plastic. It's a toy. But maybe you could carve that. I mean, who knows? Not from that piece of wood. Too small. Eh.